Hello and welcome to the channel. This video is for PostgreSQL beginners. Let's get started with the video. To the right side, click on BCS option, click on System Settings. In this window, scroll down, click on YAST option. Next step is to type password and click on Continue option. So PostgreSQL is already installed. We need to start the services. We need to enable it before using it. Next step after typing password is click on System Run Level. In this, scroll down and find PostgreSQL service. Select PostgreSQL service. Click on Enable option to the left bottom. So here is the PostgreSQL option. Click on Enable option. Click on OK. Next step is click on Yes option. So the services is enabled. To use PostgreSQL, we need to enable the services. So firstly, we have enabled the services manually. Now as you can see in the service option PostgreSQL, it is enabled. It is yes, that is enabled. In the first step, we have started the services manually. Now right click on Open in Terminal option. So this is editor, genome editor. Using command will start using PostgreSQL. Type su user, type password. So next step is rc PostgreSQL command start and press enter. This is the command through which we can start the PostgreSQL service using terminal option. First was manually, and this is through command. Now let's type next command to start PostgreSQL. Su space hyphen space postgres. Press enter. To the left side before prompt you can see postgres. Now let's type psql command and it shows version 9.1.1. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.